universe, whose most beautiful gift is Earth. Earth that has the existence of human beings, along with many types of flora, fauna, and animals attached to it. Today, in the race of modernism, humans are completely blinded, that they cannot differentiate between right and wrong, because of which today's man is being surrounded by many physical deficiencies and diseases. It is not that man doesn't understand the untimely changes in nature and human body. Today's human society is spending its energy in such things, because of which, instead of its physical growth, it is declining. Around 100 years ago, the average age of humans used to be 100 to 125 years. That has reduced to 50 to 60 years today. That has become a part of human lifestyle today. After knowing its fact, many questions arise in our hearts. Has the entire world's diet has become unbalanced? Is man's desire for long life is just a fantasy? Then the answer to your questions is no. Yes, in this modern age, there exists a corner in the world which, in spite of being behind in the race of modernism, is safe from physical deficiencies and diseases from last 30 years. But how? The answer to your questions is hidden in the wild fruit that grows in high and stringent hilly areas of the Himalayas and is believed to be divine fruit by the locals. That is sea buckthorn. Talking about the qualities of sea buckthorn, its history ages long back. The nutritious elements found in sea buckthorn and the knowledge of medical benefits of its use is recorded in the 30 pages of Tibet's ancient medical book, Sibu Yedin, which was written in 800 BC. Our neighboring country China too has been using sea buckthorn in the form of Ayurveda medicines since 1200 Dominical approximately. Today, sea buckthorn is a major part of the diet of Chinese Olympic players. The most successful ruler of Mongolian history, Genghis Khan, he too used to consume sea buckthorn with his soldiers on the battlefields. That was the reason that Genghis Khan's army could fight with full power for a long time. The basis of this historic aspect of sea buckthorn is its more than 190 nutritious constituents that are obtained from its roots that go up to 200 feet under the ground. In sea buckthorn, carotenoids, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, flavonoids, and many other protective elements are found. Sea buckthorn is the chief source of all the fatty acids like omega 3, 6, 7, and 9. Omega 3, 6, 7, and 9 are a rare and significant component for our healthy heart and skin. In sea buckthorn, 12 times more than vitamin C than orange, 3 times more vitamin A than carrot, more vitamin E than all kinds of fruits, and 5 times more SOD than ginseng is found. Because of these benefiting elements, the auric value of sea buckthorn is approximately more than 70,000. More than 120 scientific studies have been done on sea buckthorn in the world. Based on these studies, sea buckthorn is known as a superfruit in the whole world. Because of these super qualities of sea buckthorn, in the 80s, Russian Space Division gave sea buckthorn to their astronauts as a supplement, so that their scientists traveling the space shuttle stay energetic and safe from slopping.